Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make gravy goat meat. First, choose about 2 pounds of fresh goat meat, cutting it into uniform 1 1/2 inch cubes. Next, marinate the meat with your favorite spices for at least 30 minutes to infuse flavor. This step is crucial for tenderizing and seasoning the goat. While it marinates, prepare your aromatic vegetables, such as finely chopping 1 large onion, 3 cloves of garlic, and a 2-inch piece of ginger. Now let's start cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pot over medium-high heat. Brown the marinated goat meat in batches until it develops a rich, golden crust on all sides. Remove the meat and set it aside. In the same pot, add your chopped onions, garlic, and ginger, sautéing them until they become fragrant and translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Then, stir in 1 cup of diced tomatoes. It's time to build that delicious gravy. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour into the pot with the sautéed aromatics, stirring constantly for 1 minute to create a light roux. This will thicken our gravy beautifully. Gradually pour in 3 cups of hot water or beef broth, whisking continuously to prevent lumps. Once the liquid is smooth, return the browned goat meat to the pot, ensuring it's fully submerged. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then cover the pot and cook for 1 1/2 to 2 hours, or until the goat meat is incredibly tender and easily pulls apart. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt, black pepper, and a sprinkle of fresh cilantro or parsley. Serve your rich, flavorful gravy goat meat hot with rice or bread. For more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.